Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor. This is Dylan's DIY Workshop, and today we're going to be putting some heavy-duty casters on this workbench because it is too freaking heavy. Yeah, 200, you guys see that? 213.4 pounds. Now, you should get a view of how we're doing this. The instructions are actually pretty clear. 2 inches and 4 3/4 are where our 2 holes go, and we are supposed to pre-drill those holes. 2 pilot holes. Was I supposed to... Oh, I bet you I was supposed to put the brackets on before I put the wheels on. So it says drill the holes, put the thing on. The last step is put the caster on. So times 4. That is going to be it for this video. We got the wheels on here and it actually is awesome. I can roll it in and out of my shop, which is great. If I really need to make some space, there's room outside of the shop that I can tuck the stuff away. It is a bit awkward to get it to actually stay where you want it, so it's not going to be a fast process, but moving something this massive, I guess probably never would be. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out. Oh, do you want to see the bench?